no girlfriend since birth. Nagulat kami doon.
Really?
How old are you now?
I'm 22 po.
Oh,
22,
wow.
yes, I'm 22. Yeah, so I haven't had a girlfriend my whole life really. And I'm not saying that I'm looking for one right now, but I'm more focused with work really right now. In time it will come, the right time. She'll be there for sure. Sana, diba? But yeah, I'm just more focused on my work right now.
Di ba nakaka-pressure yun na walang girlfriend kasi ang dami nga nagkaka-interest tayo ng girl?
I wouldn't say it's pressuring really. I'm just really not focused on it right now. If the time comes and I find the right one, then I'll be really happy, you know. But as of right now, I'm more focused on my work.
Pag si Natasha na
Mahaba na yung kwento, di ba?
Wow!
Medyo nahihirapan ako. Pero tsaka yung mga malalim na words, grabe. Minsan I forget some of them, but kaya naman.
Andres, ano paborito mong Tagalog song?
Ooh, hinahanap-hanap kita.
Oh.
Sample.
Ay! Next time.
kung